Birds are wonderful creation in nature. Bangladesh is a favorite homeland of variety of birds. Birds fly, sing and chirp up from dawn to dusk. They contribute much to add charm and beauty of our country. We will always be kind to these birds and make our land a happy and sound homeland for them.
Name the birds.
কমন ময়না, শালিক, স্প্যারো, চড়ুই, প্যারট, টিয়া, ক্রো, কাক, আউল, পেঁচা, কুকু, কোকিল।
What is your favorite bird? Say what you know about it.
Match the words with parts of the bird. Read the text in section A and fill the boxes with information from the text. Click on each box for answer. Read the text again and say if the statements are true or false. Find two words from the text which describe the nature of the bonobo: sprightly and restless. Name some countries where bonobo is found: Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, India, Myanmar. Make questions for the following answers about bonobo. Use Fill in the gaps with the following words: restless, colorful, natural, location, chase, pleasant, sweet. Answer: last week the Islam family went out for a picnic in a beautiful location. The natural scenery of that place amused all. They also heard the sweet songs of the birds. The children saw some colorful birds and became restless. They wanted to chase them, but the birds flew away. Describe the birds to your friends. Now, write a paragraph on any of the birds.